Ferrari Daytona SP3. That's why this wild-looking machine gets the most powerful engine ever installed in a Ferrari road car, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 cranked up to 829 horsepower. It's a screamer with a 9,500 revolution per minute redline and 514 pound-feet of torque. Just don't expect to see a Daytona SP3 on your daily commute. Ferrari will only build 599 examples with a starting price of more than $2.2 million. Tesla Cybertruck Cyberbeast. The first electric vehicle on our power list, the Cybertruck is also the first off-road ready vehicle to make the roster. The top-spec version, the Cyberbeast, packs 3 electric motors for a total of 845 horsepower and 864 pound-feet of torque, good enough to push this huge stainless steel wedge to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Ferrari SF90. Ferrari makes a strong showing on our list of the most powerful production cars of 2024, and the SF90 is the top dog of the Ferrari lineup. A twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 sits behind the passenger compartment, aided by 3 electric motors to crank out a total of 986 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. When the folks at Car and Driver tested an SF90 Stradale, they measured a 0 to 60 time of 2.0 seconds flat, and the track-only SF90. GMC Hummer EV Edition 1. Yes, it feels crazy to have a GMC pickup truck beating a Ferrari supercar in a horsepower ranking. The GMC Hummer EV, available as a short bed pickup or a 4-door SUV, packs a walloping 1,000 horsepower in top-spec Edition 1 trim. Activate Watts to Freedom mode and this huge, heavy off-roader will sprint to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds flat, making it one of the quickest utility vehicles on Earth. Lamborghini Revuelto. Lamborghini's all-new supercar has a naturally aspirated V12 engine at the heart of its hybrid drivetrain. The mid-mounted 6.5-liter engine screams to an eye-watering 9,500 revolution per minute redline. Paired with 3 motors, 2 on the front axle, 1 between the engine and the rear wheels, the Revuelto makes 1,001 horsepower and 595 pound-feet of torque.